Guess who needs new tires again, by the way? This retard. Thing is, I don't know why I'd need new tires in the first place. I'm a model citizen, bruh. I drive normally. I obey all the speed limits, all the rules.
Flashback.
It just doesn't make any sense.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Bro, I thought that was an Evo for a second. Bro got a rally sport, bro. Yo, sir, please pull up so I could sauce you. Now, if I were a betting man, which way would probably have the least amount of cops? It's only right if I go left.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
County waste, huh? I know the only thing in there are Miatas. Oh yeah, Rip. Yo, bro, I'm tired of getting tires, bruh.
Yeah.
How could you not do that on a constant and continuous basis every day? If only you guys understood just how good this car sounds, bruh. It sounds so delicious. Words can't describe, guys. Words can't describe. You guys, you should hear me out, right? So my girl, she has a 4-cylinder. You know what I'm saying? Here's my thing. What if... What if I just took her car and built the K24 inside of it? Would she kill me? Probably. Yes, probably. Most definitely. Like 110%. She might stab me. More than once. But would it be worth the stabbing? I think it might just be.